Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by making the target Gmail available on the device. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and add the Gmail you want if it isn't already present. Once done, open Google Pay. The app shows Google accounts tied to the device. You do this because Google Pay links to device accounts. You can't edit the Gmail inside the app itself. Make sure sync completes for that account so payment credentials and profile details can appear when switched. Tap the profile icon in Google Pay to reveal the account picker. It lists each Gmail present on the device. Choose the Gmail you added earlier. This tells Google Pay to present that account's balance, passes, and payment methods. If Google prompts for verification or to complete setup, follow the on-screen steps. That ensures secure payment access. You're doing this because Google Pay doesn't support changing the account inside card settings. It relies on the device's account switch. Finalize by checking that the correct payment method, profile, and address are active under the newly selected Gmail. Add cards if needed. If the account picker didn't show your Gmail, remove the unwanted account from Settings Accounts or re-add the desired Gmail and reopen Google Pay. Sometimes a refresh is required. If problems persist, clear Google Pay app data or update the app, then reopen. That fixes cached account bugs and forces the app to reread device accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.